Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So far, I have covered a lot of video related to WPS, LinkedIn refund, WPS refund, LinkedIn refund, YouTube, or maybe Canva, or like many other websites, platform, or app refund. But today I'm going to share about LinkedIn refund, and this is something that came out of the blue for me. And there came a point when I lost all my hopes to get refund from LinkedIn, from IndiGo, and but I got it today. I got it. Okay, so what happened? Firstly, let me tell you the story. A few days back, I had a flight from IndiGo. Okay, so but I had to made some modification, but I missed to edit the date. I only edited timings. Okay, so once I edited the timings, then I realized that I had to edit the date also, and then I again edited the date. But when I was editing the time, they deducted my amount, so it was a kind of modification. Then I need to finalize my ticket and process further. So it took around, I think, 3200 something rupees for first modification, and again for second modification it took me around, I think, around 2600 or 2800 something for second modification. Okay, so when for my original ticket I booked meal also, I booked seat also, like window seat also. So but when I modified my ticket, it all say like went in waste. Okay, but then I, while modifying my ticket, I missed to, you can also read it. Okay, you can see it all. It is all right here, whatever I am saying, it is all right here. Okay, I missed to say add a meal and also seat, because I thought that they will consider it in the modified ticket also. And for your kind information, this was my first experience to modifying my airline ticket. Okay, and then it cost me around, you can see, 13,676 exact rupees, but it should have costed me 7590 rupees. Okay, and after traveling, after completed my journey, I tried to get in touch with LinkedIn. I mailed them, I tried to get in touch through their WhatsApp channel, but I didn't get any response. Their WhatsApp number, I didn't get any response, it was all automated. Then I tweeted on Twitter, I didn't get any response that can solve my issue. Okay, so I got a call actually after tweeting there on Twitter. I got a call from the team, social media team, but I didn't get the solution. Okay, and also I didn't find that communication to be very smooth, so I didn't find the solution. Then again, you can see 2 days back I wrote this experience here on LinkedIn. So the same person who found my Twitter post and who called me, who got me on a call, and who said that no, there is no solution, we can't, we don't have any solution, we don't like, it's against a refund policy. So if you are modifying your ticket, it's like we are making changes into flights, that is, I had connecting flights. Okay, I had connecting flights, so there is no such policy. He was just like this. Okay, so I said that if there is no solution to my issue, then why are you calling me? I was like this. Okay, again the same person called me yesterday after this post, after writing this post. Okay, he called me yesterday and he said the same thing, that no, we can't refund your amount, we can't do this. Okay, then I said, I was in so much of anger, I said that if you have no solution, why are you calling me, why are you wasting my time? I think if I am talking to you on this call, if I am again explaining the same issue, if I am saying that I made this mistake to say not change the date and only change the timing, and then again I had to modify my ticket, so it was my mistake. But again, as there was no solution, I found it useless to to communicate further on the call. So I said, I told them that I'm disconnecting the call, because you are not at all going to provide any solution. Firstly, I asked him, is there any solution? He said no. Then I disconnected the call. Today, out of the blue, I got a call from IndiGo team, and person's name was Abhishek. He called me and he was so genuine, and also the communication went so smooth. It was so smooth, like within last, I think, 7 to 8 days, I got like a little frustrated from this experience actually, because it took a lot of my money also, and also it gives you like some trouble also. You are expecting something else when you get on the flight, but then you get something else, so it's not good, right? So still I got a call today, and he was too good, too decent. His communication was too smooth, and without wasting my time, within 1 minute of that call, he just told me that my refund has been processed. And I was shocked actually. I asked him, are you serious? So he said, excuse me, I didn't get what are you saying. Then I repeated again that, are you serious? So you are saying that you have started my refund process. He said that yes, we have started. We discussed your like social media post from username Shraddha Pandey. We discussed this post with like within our team, and then we initiated your refund. So they finally initiated a refund, okay, of around I think 2,999, that is 3,000 rupees. And for me this was also good. So yeah, you can see this here, okay. Let me just tell you. And then I checked my account. I got the amount, but I didn't get any say mail or any messages. I didn't get anything. So I got in touch with the team. Just let me just check it. I think it's, oh, I think it was this one. Nope. Wait. Nope. Okay, it's this one. You can see this right here. Okay, so I got a refund of, you can see, 2,999. Okay, so yeah, so this is something very unexpected, and I truly I love IndiGo, to be honest enough. I like, since the very beginning I explored various airlines. If I talk about Air India, SpiceJet, IndiGo, then I found something very connected to IndiGo, and then I started say traveling with IndiGo itself, and didn't ever change any other airline, though I had some bad experiences also. But this time, like their team came and got in touch with me, so it was too good actually. It was unexpected. They got in touch with me. They were saying that it's not in their refund policy, but still they took a extra step to make their customer satisfied. And also I remember that a few days back, I think 2 days back, they shared a survey link they used to share with everybody. And I filled that survey in a very negative manner, and there is a 1 to 10 of like scale of 1 to 10. So I like gave very negative say scaling or say numbering of that scale survey form. So yeah, I am really very happy to get it. It's not about money, how much money they have refunded. It's all about the way they are trying to touch say everybody's problem or a passenger's problem, if you are making it sure that you are conveying your issue to the right person. So yeah, just wanted to cover this because I know that this is rare and not everybody gets their refund if you face issue. I have seen a lot of say posts on LinkedIn, Twitter, and various other platforms. So yeah, this is something very cool for me and very good also. Like this is something I liked actually about IndiGo. So yeah, so thank you so much IndiGo. And the person who called me, he was so generous also. Like the way he was communicating, it was too good. And yeah, this is truly, that's how we should expect, or we expect, like if we are putting our money for traveling or for any way of experience or something. So that's how we expect services from say like from their end, right? So that's how I was also expecting. I got the same. I remember I in my post I wrote something like, please do better. You can also read, you can read, if anyone from IndiGo is reading this, please do better. Trust me, they did better, they did much better. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye, take care.